I know you're sick and tired of sitting on your table watching 2,342 videos on YouTube every day, just trying to make your first sale or commission with affiliate marketing. And it just seems like a far-fetched dream, because all of these tutorials are showing totally different methods each and every time that's either outdated or just doesn't work. But not to worry, because
I am here.
And today, I'll be going over one of the most effective methods there is to actually make money with affiliate marketing. Let's say you bought yourself a brand new iPhone 19 on Amazon, and your friends seem to be in love with it even more than you. And they are also considering to buy one as soon as they get paid so that they could flex on their family members. Did you know that instead of allowing them to just go onto Amazon to purchase that iPhone, you could just join Amazon's affiliate program where you could share links to Amazon products and get paid for it? So instead of you promoting Amazon for free to your friends, you might as well get paid for it. So that's what affiliate marketing is essentially. You promoting someone else's product or service in exchange for a commission or percentage of the sale. But why choose an online business like this in the first place though? Number one, you bear no risk of creating a brand new product from scratch and it flops and you go bankrupt. Number two, you don't have to deal with any customer support, which can be annoying. Number three, you literally just share your link to persons that may be interested and you get paid whenever they buy something. What other online business is so simple? Let me know down below. To maximize your earnings with this specific method that I'm going to show you today requires you choosing a specific niche or interest, and you'll see why this is super important later. You could choose health, finance, pets, travel, etc. These are just some of the major ones that people tend to spend most of their money on. But for the sake of this video, let's go with the pets niche. And one thing that I know for certain is that people are super passionate about their pets, and they don't play about them. Because while their friends may turn their back on them, their furry friends definitely won't. Well, you do have some persons that are just unlikable by both humans and pets, just like my grandsister. Now that we have a niche that we're working with, it's time to find a product or two that's worth promoting. You can find good products with high commission payouts on warriorplus.com, clickbank.com, digistore.com, or impact.com. So it's really up to you on which platform you would like to use. But I'll be using impact.com for this example. On this channel, we don't show you how to create accounts because that's just way too simple and I think it's a waste of time. If you don't like it, watch someone else's video that loves to waste your time. So whenever you're on impact.com, you should see a page looking like this, which is your dashboard. And then you just click on the brand section and then the find brand section. And here you would see products and services in all categories. But remember, our niche is related to pets. So I'm going to type in pets and then select both of these options. I'm going to go with this one as an example. You just applied to be an affiliate for this product by saying something like this. And then after you've accepted, you'd receive your unique link, which would be found here. We'll get back to this in just a second though. So now we have a product that we're planning on promoting to make some cash. But here's the thing. We don't just want to be promoting our raw, filthy, and scammy affiliate link just like that, which is why we are going to create an opt-in/lead capture page funnel giving away something for free so that we can collect our potential buyer's name and email address so that we can have it to market even more products to them in an email sequence, while still having a more attractive link for buyers to click on in the end. But you'll see what I'm talking about very soon. We'll be using a free tool called System.io to build out this funnel, which will be linked below in my description. After clicking the link and signing up for a free account, you're going to click on the funnel section to create a new funnel, but instead of having you starting from scratch. I would have a link to my lead capture funnel that I currently use on this channel for free in my description. And then you just click the link and import the funnel to your System.io account. And afterwards, you just edit it with your own info. I know you must be thinking, what info am I going to include? I'm clueless and don't know anything about anything. So what can I give away for free? Don't worry, because instead of going through all the stress to create a free guide from scratch, just like I did for this channel, I have a special website which you could use called Free PLR Downloads, where you could download ebooks and courses for free and either sell it or give it away for free. And you won't get in any trouble because private label rights, also known as PLR, is a licensing agreement that grants someone the right to sell an asset like a document, video, software, ebook, audio, or other files as the seller of these rights. So for this example, let's download this ebook. And afterwards, you go back to System.io to make the changes to the funnel. First, we're going to change the opt-in page, which is the first page that persons would see. Just like that, we now have a free guide on training small animals to give away. But we're not finished as yet because we didn't make any changes to the thank you page as yet, which is the second and final page persons would see after signing up to receive the free guide. On this page, you just let them know that you'll send an email with the guide, so they should look out for that as well as additional and valuable emails also. And the first step in the process is setting up the automated emails, which includes your affiliate links. That would be sent out as soon as someone signs up for the free guide. First, you would click on the automation section and then click on workflows. Here you would create a brand new workflow based on what your free guide is about. And the first thing you should do is set the trigger to funnel form subscribed and select the opt-in page option below. And what this will do is start sending out the automated emails immediately after someone signs up for this specific opt-in page. The first email would be you giving away the free guide which you promised, and it should look something like this. To receive additional email content, you can use AI, more specifically ChatGPT, by asking the bot to write you 5 or more valuable emails related to what your guide is about. And inside some of these emails, you can add your affiliate links so that you can make more money on the back end. And please do not spam anyone with a bunch of emails just selling something every day. No one likes to get sold to, especially so many times. So you could do a mixture of strictly valuable and free content and also valuable and paid. If you find these tasks very time-consuming or too difficult and you have a small amount of cash willing to invest, I would recommend even hiring a System.io expert on Fiverr.com to build out the entire funnel for you from the lead capture page to the automated emails. I'll have a special link down below if you're planning on taking this route. Now we have the product which we're going to promote as well as the opt-in/lead capture page done. It's time to actively start promoting our link. And what best way to do so other than using YouTube as our major traffic source to find potential customers? The very first thing that we have to do before even creating any videos is our keyword search. And by the way, don't worry, because we'll be using AI to do all the heavy lifting. So there's no need to show your fat and pretty face in these videos. But let's get back on track. We'll be using a free tool called vidIQ, which could be found linked in the description, also to do our keyword search. Let's say you're planning on creating a video titled Mammals versus Reptiles. You just search for that same exact keyword on YouTube after installing vidIQ. You should see the competition and the overall score, which means what are the chances of your video actually getting ranked on YouTube and get views targeting this specific keyword. In this case, it's medium, which is good. Now, let's move on to the juicy sweet part, which is creating the video. We will be using a software called InVideo AI to have the video made in seconds, and a link to this tool will be down in my description as well. After clicking the link below and signing up for a free account, you should be on a page like this, where you would be prompted to tell InVideo AI what kind of video you'd like. For this example, we'll select the YouTube Explainer option, and you just include as much information as possible as to the type of video you'd like. And remember to always mention your free guide in each video by telling InVideo AI to include it, so that your potential viewers are aware that it's there. Here you would just select what kind of audience you would like your video to cater to and so on. And after all that is filled out, you should have a YouTube video waiting to get uploaded and to make you some money. Here's a snippet of the video that we just created.
Have you ever wondered what the main differences between mammals and reptiles are? It's like comparing apples and oranges, or more accurately, warm apples and cold oranges. You see, mammals, like us humans, are like that overachieving friend who's always prepared. We maintain a consistent body temperature, no matter if it's the middle of a heat wave or a snowstorm. On the other hand, reptiles are like that buddy who never checks the weather forecast and always ends up borrowing your jacket. They're cold-blooded, which doesn't mean they're heartless, but that they rely on the environment to regulate their body temperature. If it's chilly out, you'll find them basking in the sun, soaking up the rays to warm their bodies. If it's hot...
Also, here's the section where InVideo AI creatively mentioned our free guide with even way more context than I expected.
Time deciding how to bring their kids into the world. Now that you know the differences between mammals and reptiles, you might be wondering how to train your tiny mammal. Well, lucky for you, we've compiled an easy-to-follow guide on training small mammals, which you can find linked in the description of this video. This guide is packed with practical tips and tricks to help you navigate the delightful quirks and idiosyncrasies of your furry friend. Now just imagine trying to train a reptile. Picture trying to teach a cold-blooded, scale-covered critter to fetch or roll over. The thought alone is enough to bring a smile to your face, isn't it?
I have a more detailed video on how to use this tool more effectively here, which you should watch after this one. You thought I would leave you hanging, right? Well, nah, because you don't even have a clickable thumbnail for your video. For this, I would highly recommend outsourcing this to the pros on Fiverr.com, which would be linked below. And the reason why I recommend outsourcing the job is because the thumbnail and the title is the most important thing. And if you can't create good-looking thumbnails that grabs the click, uploading videos on YouTube would just be a waste of time. I know that even after watching this entire video, most of you guys just won't start, either because you're too lazy or you just don't want to make any money to move out of your step-aunt's kitchen. And that's completely fine with me, as long as I'm getting paid for your view. But on a serious note, if affiliate marketing just isn't working out for you, I have a guide linked down in the description of this video on how to turn your passion into cash, so that you don't waste your time watching a bunch of make money online videos, and instead use what you're passionate about to make money ASAP without having to feel like you're doing a job. My passion is making money each and every day, so I decided to create a YouTube channel around just that, and I make money talking about money. And this doesn't feel like a job or something that's being forced. So again, check out the guide down below. Want to find out 3 little-known online businesses to make big profit? Click on this video right now that's being showed on your screen.